For more than 300 years, the unique culture of New Orleans has been built on the traditions of the people who call it home. A melting pot of personalities from all walks of life blends together to create a gumbo of art, music, food, and entertainment. Our hearts and souls are embedded into the history of New Orleans. So too is NASA's Michoud assembly facility. Here, NASA and our industry partners continue to build on the tradition of the generations that sent humans to the moon and gave us a continuous presence among the stars. Since 1961, Michoud has manufactured rockets, external tanks, and hardware for all of NASA's human spaceflight programs. The hearts of those who've worked through the Apollo and shuttle programs, and now the Artemis campaign, are filled with pride and dedication and beat louder than a bass drum in a New Orleans jazz band. America's rocket factory has been supporting space exploration for more than 60 years, manufacturing 13 stages for the Apollo missions and 135 external tanks for the Space Shuttle program. Today, we're proud to continue NASA's mission with the Artemis campaign, which will land the next American astronauts on the South Pole region of the Moon, with the production of the core and upper stages of NASA's Space Launch System and Orion spacecraft. Every day at Michoud, we're making history. It's right here in New Orleans where NASA and its partners Boeing and Lockheed Martin are constructing the core stage and the Orion spacecraft. Towering at 212 feet tall, the core stage is the backbone of the SLS rocket. Built by Michoud employees, the core stage consists of state-of-the-art manufacturing and is crafted using friction stir welding tooling, which is the largest of its kind in the world. NASA's SLS rocket is the most capable rocket to send the Orion spacecraft, astronauts, and supplies on bold exploration missions to the moon and beyond. Also manufactured at Michoud, the crew module for the Orion spacecraft will take us farther in deep space than we've ever gone before. Through advanced manufacturing and technology, the launch abort system can activate within milliseconds to propel the Orion crew module to safety in case of an emergency. For the first time in a generation, NASA has built a human spacecraft for deep space missions that will usher in a new era of space exploration. With an astonishing 43 acres of manufacturing and assembly space under one continuous roof, engineers, technicians, and students in aerospace engineering can design, build, and outfit the major structures that form SLS and Orion spacecraft to create the systems needed for the Artemis generation. For the last 6 decades, all NASA human spaceflight missions have gone and continue to go through New Orleans. We're building upon generations of design and advanced manufacturing techniques created, perfected, and handed down by the people who achieved the impossible. As we move forward toward our sustainable return to the moon and beyond, we do so with dedication and pride rooted deep within our souls. As you can see, the path to the moon and Mars begins in the Crescent City. Are you ready for a new journey?